Welcome back, growers and gromies in the grow community. We coming back with another Spider Farmer update, y'all. We did the unboxing a couple days ago. We actually setting her up in a 2x2 right here, right now. Welcome back to Levels Grow Room, everyone. We're here with the SF2000 Pro 490 diodes, 301H Evo diodes. Just killer light, man. I can't wait to see what she does. Alright, let's get her hooked up here. Oh, we gotta get some clips on her. 1 second, let me get these clips. Alright, we got our 2 hangers, our 2 clips. I'm gonna go ahead and clip on to the fan here. To the light here, sorry. Appreciate everybody, all the support about the sponsorships and all, man. The community has been real supportive. Y'all the ones that helped me get here. I have put in a lot of work as well. But man, the support of the community is so great, man. And y'all don't forget, I'm not getting a kickback for this contract or anything, so make sure y'all do feel welcome to use the Levels Grow Room at spiderfarmer.com as a discount code. And that's just my way of giving back to the community and helping maybe help some growers save a couple bucks out there, and help better some grow situations with some Spider Farmer products, man. So y'all check out the code. It's the 8% code. It'll be down in the description. Y'all hit that thumbs up. Share this video out, y'all. I try to share everybody I can in my community tab. That's what I use my community tab on my channel for, is to share out all the other growers. New, experienced, old, young. Just share them out, man. Get everybody familiar with everybody in the community. But let's go. We got these hangers on here. Let's go, y'all. We got my clips. All right. Now we're stuck. Alright, here we go. Alright, I got my clips. We'll get the light situated. The SF2000 Pro, y'all, with the Evo diodes going in a 2x2. Oh, I might have to hang one side first. Oh, shit. Alright, here we go. Alright, we got one. Oh, there we go. I could have done it a better way, but it worked. It worked. Let's drop this a hair. Too much. We got to do measurements and all that. So let's turn her on, plug her in. Can't wait, super excited. It's 4 p.m. so my light should be coming on, so we gotta kind of hurry. They're in bed, so they're not gonna flip on me or anything, but I don't like the lights being off. I can help it. Pull the slack, and they do give you a good amount of cord with this light as well. I was looking at. They let's get her plugged in this timer. Plug her on. Boom. Oh, y'all seen that? Alright, there we go. Right in the minimum right there. We'll crank this thing. Damn, that's 20 and that's bright. And this is 100 more watts than I had on this thing. So we're gonna take a look at it here now. Check out this coverage. Oh, I can't lose it. Alright, yeah, there we go. That's more light. A little more. That's it, man. Let's check this out, y'all. There, I'll put my camera. Oh, or not. There it is, the SF2000 Pro, y'all. We are here, the SF2000 Pro in the 2x2. This is Level's Grow Room, the official setup of the light in the 2x2. Look at it, it's all the way to the sides, damn near. It's gonna be a great veg light. Great things that come with this light. Y'all hit that thumbs up, comments, let me know, share this video out, y'all.